Hey guys, I am CJ welcome back to my channel. So today we are here somewhere down the road. The roads are gonna cross again. Saan pa kayang palibot ron? So hopefully this will turn out to be a good video. I'm just waiting for my coffee here. And today is December 30, 2020, and tomorrow is December 31, 2020. Of course, lahat sa kayo ko ano. Pero just wanna say Happy New Year, and hopefully we'll be having a better 2021. So in this video, we'll be talking about 2020 year in review. But before that, don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share. Peace and love. Thank you. Alright, so I just got my coffee. Iced coffee day. Yan eh. Malakas ang hangin dito sa labas. In case you're wondering, I have here a mask from Cebu Ecofix and Big Seat Cebu. Thanks very much for the Christmas gift. It's very helpful. And I have here a hand-woven ear saver made by my cousin, si Mary, and you can check out her Instagram, that's Cebu Crocheteria. I can put the link on the description box below so you can order. Today I'm outside because after this one I will be going for errands. I'll go shopping. Well, I'll go year-end shopping. Okay, wala na ko'y kape, wala ko'y kapas. So I decided to have coffee first because you know I can't start my day without coffee. Iced coffee lang sa ta kaya limuot kayo. So year 2020, we started with, I mean, year 2020 has been like a circus to all of us. Kay it started with I mean, January, February, March, it was all normal, right? In case like in Cebu, I mean, I didn't prepare for this one, so probably going to circles, but please bear with me, guys. Yeah, so year 2020 started with like everything was normal. We have a lot of plans. Me and my friends have plans to go major hiking. We even booked a ticket to Mount Pulag. We even booked a ticket to Clark, and then we plan to go to the third highest mountain in the Philippines, which is Mount Pulag, around summertime. And we were also planning to go to the the highest mountain in the Philippines, which is Mount Apo, this year as well. But unfortunately, everything, like all plans, have to be cancelled because of the pandemic. COVID-19 happened, and this year also was transformational. Wow, because like I do a lot of travel contents last year, right? If you have been following my channel since last year, you could see that I do a lot of adventure vlogs. I do hiking most of the time, going to the beach, and you know, not much of a lifestyle vlog. But for this year, my content transformed into something else, especially during the lockdown. And during the lockdown, I do a lot of random things, such as like what I do in the house. I even posted answering 50 questions, like kinsan artistahan. Wow! And then I do a lot of, you know, COVID-19 updates, especially in our city or our barangay during the lockdowns in Cebu City. And I mean, there's a good on those times, because this year, or because of that contents, like my COVID-19 updates, my channel was finally monetized after a couple of years. And thanks very much for all who supported and watched my video up until now. But I think the content that made me monetize or made me gain a lot of watch time was my Cebu City going back to general community quarantine, because it reached around 8K views in such a short amount of time. I think it's because of the keyword that I put. Like a lot of seasoned vloggers said that the key for YouTube is, of course, keywords and title and thumbnail, and also riding to trending topics would be also a good technique This year it's been really transformational because like I haven't been posting a lot of travels because I don't want to travel a lot. I mean for now, like in the past few months when the lockdown was lifted, I was able to camp and then travel to the beach and then do some hiking, but I had to stop like recently, like from last month because of my Bavarians. If you've been following me, I know you know that I had Bavarians, but luckily December 30 my back already healed, but I would still give it more days to come or to heal so that it won't come back. But unfortunately my leg still has an open wound, so I can't really do a lot of extreme activities because it may infect the wound. So but if there's a chill adventure, I went to the beach, like I posted a vlog previously in Walboa. We went to the beach but I didn't swim, so I was just by the beach relaxing and chilling. Their friends are already in the beach swimming their asses off. They're having the best days of their lives. But yeah, 2020 is such a devastation to most of us, because a lot of my friends, especially, I knew a lot of them have retrenched, and a lot of them lost their jobs, and I'm still very lucky that I still have my job. I still do it, even though it's stressful, as we all know. Can't deny the fact that jobs could be stressful. So even though it's that pressure, and my work from home life is a bit stressful, that's why I had I had a lot of sickness coming from me. I don't know, basta nagkawas ako mga sakit karon nga nag-work from home ko. But yeah, I'm still lucky and blessed to still have my job, and I'm still thankful that I still get blessings, especially my job and then my vlogging as well, and my content creation as well. Like brands have been working with me this past couple of months, and especially the pandemic times, and I'm very thankful for trusting me to promote your brand. So I don't know what's gonna happen next year, so hopefully, because time is changing. Like there's a lot of events happening, and there's a lot of events happening recently, and we can't really tell the future, especially with politics and with the pandemic. Of course, the pandemic. I've heard there's already vaccine, but I've heard also that there's a new variant or new strain of coronavirus. So who knows what's gonna happen next year? So probably we'll just do whatever we can do to survive, and live the best days of our lives, because we don't know what might happen next, right? Wow, English mo ito, looking a vlog. Yeah, but I think the point of this video is that I just want to say thanks very much for staying with me. Wow. Thanks very much for staying with me, and thank you very much. Familiar lagi din siya ka vlog. Mura man ikatong akong vlog, dagang salamat niya. Mao gyapon ako sa nina, pero taas lang kung buhok ato niya kani kinay straw. But yeah, so yeah, just want to say thank you for those who trusted and still stayed up until now for the last couple of years with me creating content, and thanks very much to all the brands who trusted and worked with me this year. Hopefully we still see, or we still work together next year. I'm positive that I'm gonna be still creating content next year, because I bought a new camera, guys, diba? And then I'm hoping that 2021 will be a better year for every one of us. Like more opportunities will come, and then we can survive this new year. As they say, okay na kuno ang next year, because it's the year of as they say, 2021 is okay na kuno kaya it's the year of the ox. Oh yeah, thanks very much, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. Peace and love. See you next year. Bye. Happy New Year. Peace and love. Share 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 peace and love. Peace and love.